Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing Ehlers Adaptive Commodity Channel Index. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing Ehlers Adaptive Commodity Channel Index. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 284 indicators, and out of 284 indicators, 112 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 112 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is Ehlers Adaptive Commodity Channel Index. Man, that's a mouthful. Okay, so you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so basically what we have is an oscillating line. And we have two areas. One is right at the 100 mark, and one is right at the negative 100 mark. And so this indicator is kind of similar to how you would think of the RSI. And so we have these areas of overbought and oversold. And so the way we are going to trade it, or the way we're going to test it, there's actually more than one way that the creator of the indicator kind of said that this could be used. But the first way that we're going to use it is as the oscillating line gets up above the green line, the green dashed line here at the 100 mark, we are waiting for it to then come back down below that line, and that will be an entry short or to sell. And so the other way is the opposite. So when the oscillating line then breaks down below this negative 100 dashed red line, we are waiting for it to then cross back up above that, and that will be a long signal or a buy signal. And you can see here that the creator of the indicator has actually set up these tags, and some of these tags actually read when that cross, that break of those lines actually take place. And so instead of taking every single buy and sell tag that happens, we are looking for those specific ones where we get the breaks of these dashed lines, either down or up. So with that being said, that's how we are going to test it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing process and see what we can get out of this indicator. All right, so let's see. We actually get one right here, but it's right before the start of the new year. So that one's not actually a valid entry at that point. But then we do pick up the first one right here on that candle right there would be the signal candle there. And that is a long signal. And play it forward a little bit. Looks like we may have barely squeezed out. Yep. Actually, more than barely. It actually moved a decent little amount there. All right, so first signal, and it was a winning trade. So let's go ahead and continue on with it here. You can see that these other tags pop up here as well. Again, we're not testing that specific part of the indicator, and so we're just going to ignore those at the moment. Looks like we do pick up a buy signal right there on that one, and unfortunately that one did not work out for us. It started to roll itself back up over here, but it did take a nice little dip before it did that. Now it did catch right there on that one. That is going to be another buy signal right there. And that one actually did pretty decent. That one was caught. Let's see here. So it looks like we then pick up a sell signal right there on that one. And as you can see, that one crashed down pretty quickly. Took a nice drop, definitely getting us to take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on here. And we pick up a sell right there on that one. And it looks like that one gets us to the take profit as well. So far, not too bad. Let's see, you pick up a buy right there. That one does swing down on us, stopping us out for sure. And then we pick it up again over there on that one. Let's see if this one, nope, that one faked us out again. So another losing trade there. Then we pick up this one. That one definitely gets us to take profit though. Continue on with it here. And we pick up a sell right there on that one. I do not believe that got us to take profit. Let's see here though. There. Nope, not quite. 60 pips, and it started to go down for a second, then it spiked back up there. So then we pick up another sell right there on that one. Don't believe, what was our stop? 105. Yeah, it did barely stop us out right there on that one. Also, that is unfortunate, and it finally rolls over for us right there. That one would have got us to take profit. And it looks like we pick up one last signal right there. Comes down and stops us out on the very next candle. So, all right, that puts us at the end of the year right there. Let's go ahead and zoom in on this about right there. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and count these out and see what we get out of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we have 12 trading signals all together, and we end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 winning trades. So unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we were looking for. Debating on whether or not we should try it using all the signals. Looks like that might actually work out pretty decent. So maybe in the next one, or I'll play with it on my free time, and then on the next one we might try it again using all the different signals as well. So, but for now, it's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.